Hey guys, PhotoshopProHelp here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this dramatic pixelation effect. So as we can see, this is the effect right here, and it's really simple to create this effect. So I'm going to go and take this off and show you the main original image. So this one right here. Now what I've done is I've cut out my person, so you want to go and do the same. Now I'm not going to go and show you actually how to cut out the object or person, but you can use a variety of tools. You can either use the pen tool, the quick selection tool, or the magic wand tool. Now if you don't know actually how to cut out your object or person, then you can go and find my other tutorial on my channel, so go and check that out guys. So once we have our person or object cut out, and we want to go and create some room for our pixels to be, so we want to go to the crop tool on the left hand side, and we want to go and drag out either left or right depending on the way our object is facing. So mine is facing left, so I'm going to go and create some room on the left hand side. Once we've done that, we're going to go and click the tick icon at the top, and from here we're going to go and create a vibrant background. Now to do that, we're going to go to the new blank layer icon at the bottom right hand side, and we're going to go and drag that new layer down to the bottom. We're going to go and rename this to background so we know where we are, and we're going to go to the left hand side to our color palette, and we want to go and select a color. Now you don't have to go for the same color I'm going to go for, you can go for any color that you want. Click OK once you've done, go up to edit, down to fill, and we want to make sure the content use is foreground color, and then click OK. From here we're going to go up to the top layer, which is our object or person. We're going to go and make a masking layer onto this, so we're going to go down to the bottom right hand side, click the new masking layer icon which looks like a camera. We're going to go over to our brush tool on the left hand side, go up to the top, and we want to go and load these brushes right here, and these are called the drop shadow brushes. Now they might not be loaded in Photoshop already, so you want to go to the cog tool at the top, go down to drop shadow brushes, click OK, and we want to go and select this one right here, which is the 58 brush, which is down the bottom. We're going to go and play around with the brush settings, so go to window and then brush, and we're going to get this up. We're going to go down to scattering now, and you can pause the video to get all these settings, but I will be going through them with you. So both axes clicked off, scatter to 1000%, control to off, count to 1, count jitter to 100%, and control to off. We're going to go to texture next, and you can pause the video again, and we're going to go down to the drop down menu, and we want to go and select this texture right here. Now this texture is called the oil pastel on canvas, and it might not be loaded, so we can go to the cog tool and go to artist surfaces and then click OK, and it's the bottom texture right at the bottom. Click that. The scale is going to be 50%, brightness 0, contrast 0, texture each tip clicked on, mode to subtract, depth to 51%, depth jitter to 0%, and control to off. Then we can go and hide it. Making sure that we're working on the masking layer and the foreground color to black, what we're going to do is we're going to go and change our brush size down, and we can just go and click randomly along our person like this, and you want to go and vary the brush size every time, so we're creating lots of little squares like this, and as I said, keep bringing the brush size down like that, and bring the brush size up to create some bigger ones. Obviously you're going to have a lot more time on your hands to get this right, but be patient, just go very carefully, so you don't want to go too mental on this. So like this, and once you have a reasonable amount like this and you have it to the way you want it, we're going to go and duplicate this layer now, so Control and J or Command and J if you have a Mac. We're going to go and right click the masking layer on the duplication layer, and we're going to go and click delete layer mask, and we're going to go and rename this layer to shade or anything that you want really, so we know where to come back to. We're going to go and create a new blank layer, bottom right hand side, click the new blank layer icon. From here we're going to go over to our clone stamp tool on the left hand side. We're going to go up to window and then brush, and we'll get these settings come up. We're going to go over to scattering, and you can pause the video to get these settings. Now the scale is going to be 1000%, both axes clicked off, control to off, count to 1, and the count gear to 0%, and the control to off. And we can go and hide that. We're going to go up to the top to the drop down menu, and we want to make sure that it's current and below clicked on. And what it does is it takes a sampling from the bottom layers as well as the top. So we're going to go and hold down Alt on our keyboard, and we're going to go and make a selection, and you want to hold down that Alt or Option if you have a Mac, and select the top middle of the object, and then we're just going to go to the side that we're going to go and put our pixels, and all we're going to do is vary the brush size again like this, and just keep varying the brush size like that, and making it bigger and smaller like this, so somewhere around about there. And as I said, just keep going bigger and smaller and like that. So you can have a lot more time on your hands to get this right, but I'm just going to do this very quickly just to show you what it should look like. So just keep going, and once you have it to where you like it, then we can go down to the shade layer, which is below it. We can go to filter, go to blur, go to motion blur. We want an angle of 0 and a distance of 75 pixels. Click OK. From here we're going to go and change the blending mode to soft light, so change the blending mode on the right hand side. And as we can see, it's brought everything back through, and we can go to our top layer, which is the pixels, and they might not be too good on this, so they might not be squares, so we can go to our erase tool on the left hand side, and we can just go and take out the bits that don't actually look right, so the ones that ain't squares, so we can just go and reuniform this. And that's basically it. That's all that you need to know to create this effect. It's really easy and simple to create this, and you can get some stunning effects with this. So go and have a lot of fun and experiment, and that's basically it. So please comment, rate and subscribe. Go check out the website, guys. Facebook and Google+, loads for you to do. If you want to support me, then go check out the brand new t-shirt designs after this video. The link will be after this one, so go check that out, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye for now.